Pepsi free.
You want a Pepsi, pal? You're gonna...
Hey, Doc, this is Pepsi free. Oh, boy, Mom. You sure can hydrate it. Pepsi free. What the hell? Watch me for the changes and try and keep up, okay?
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks, don't mind me. I'ma just grab my stuff and leave.
Need my
No! Please, no, I cannot be fired. I'm fired. Ah!
gigawatts! 1.21 gigawatts!
Everybody do the flop!
I hope you know that you're a bitch. If not, I think it's time you hear it.